Hello boys and girls, welcome to this presentation. In this presentation, we're going to start with Unit 6, Jobs and Professions. In this unit, we're going to take 8 lessons. Lesson 1, What do they do? Page 70. Let's start with Lesson 1. Unit 6, Lesson 1, What do they do? Question A. Listen and read the descriptions, then match them to the pictures. As you can see here, we have 7 descriptions. We're going to read them and then match them with the 7 pictures here. You can stop the video to read the descriptions or read along and then match them and then come and check again. Let's start with the descriptions. A businesswoman. A businesswoman works in an office and runs a business. She's very good at working with money. B. A pilot. A pilot flies a plane and takes people to different countries. He or she has to wear a uniform. C. An architect. An architect plans and designs buildings. He or she works in an office. D. A mechanic. A mechanic works in a workshop or a garage and repairs people's cars. E. An engineer. An engineer works outside or in an office. He or she designs, builds or repairs machines, roads and bridges. F. A shop assistant. A shop assistant works for a shopkeeper or shop owner. He or she helps customers, the people who want to buy things in the shop. G. A firefighter. A firefighter's job is very dangerous. He or she puts out fires and saves people. A firefighter has to wear special clothes. Now, after reading these descriptions, let's match them to the pictures. Let's start with the first picture. What do you think this picture is? Very good. A mechanic. Which letter? Very good. D. So we go to the picture and put D. Good job. Now, picture number 2. What do you think this job is? Very good. A pilot. Which letter? Very good. B. Now go to the picture and put B. Good job. Number 3, what do you think this job is? Very good. A firefighter. Which letter it is? Which letter it is? Very good. G. Go to the picture and put G. Now, picture number 4. What do you think this job is? Very good. A businesswoman. Which letter? A. Go to the picture and put A. Picture number 5. What do you think this job is? Very good. An architect. Which letter? Good job. C. Go back to the picture and put C. Number 6. What do you think this job is? Take a look at the descriptions and tell me. Very good. Shop assistant. So, letter F. Very good. Go back to the picture and put letter F. Good. And number 7, what do you think this job is? Very good. An engineer. So which letter? Good job. E. So go back to the pictures and put E on picture number 7. Good job. Now, when we talk about these jobs, which one do you think interests you the most? Which one do you like being in the future? Some people will say they will like to be a businessman or a businesswoman, because a businessman and a businesswoman, they work for themselves. So they make good money and they are free to do a lot of things. They can travel to a lot of places. Some people like to be firefighters. Some like to be engineers or architects. And a lot of them like to be pilots. So everyone has a dream and they need to follow it. And if you be good and study well, you'll follow this dream and become the job that you want, or the person that you want. Now, let's move on. Let's open our workbooks and check questions A and B, page 63 of the workbook. The workbook, Unit 6, Jobs and Professions. Lesson 1. What do they do? Question A. Match these beginnings and endings to make the names of 9 jobs. Write them. As you see here, we have the beginnings and endings of 9 jobs. You're going to match them and then write them here in these gaps. You can stop the video, answer the question, and then come back to check the answers. Now let's check together. Let's start with number 1. We have business. Business. So which one do we take? Very good. Women. So it's going to be business woman. Very good. Number 2. Engine. Engine. Very good. Engineer. So we match engineer. Good job. Archi. Archi. So which one do you think it is? Very good. Architect. Good job. Architect. Number 4. Pie. Which one do you think it is? Very good. Pilot. Pilot. Let's write it here. Good job. Number 5. Mechan. Mechan. Which one do you think it is? Good job. Mechanic. Mechanic. Number 6. Den. Which one do you think it is? Good job. Dentist. Dentist. Very good. Number 7. Fire. Which one do you think it is? Very good. Firefighter. Firefighter. Very good. 8. Teach. Teach. Which one do you think it is? Very good. Teacher. Teacher. Number 9. Duct. Which one do you think it is? Very good. Doctor. Doctor. Good job. Let's move on to the next question. Question B. Ask and answer these questions about jobs. As you can see here, we have certain questions. You can answer them by telling the job. For example, number 1, Who works in an office? Who do you think works in an office? You can stop the video, answer these, and then come back and check. Now let's check. Who works in an office? Very good. An office manager, for example. An office manager. Very good. Number 2. Who writes articles for a newspaper? Very good. A reporter. A reporter. Good job. You can write any job that you think good for the answer. It doesn't have to be one. Number 3. Who wears a uniform? Who wears a uniform? Very good. A pilot. Good job. Number 4. Who corrects mistakes in articles? Good job. An editor. We took it in Unit 1. Number 5. Who takes care of sick people? Very good. A doctor or a nurse. You can answer any way you want. Number 6. Who takes care of other people's teeth? Good job. A dentist. Very good. Number 7. Who repairs cars? Very good. A mechanic. Good job. Number 8. Who works in a shop? Very good. A shop assistant, or you can say a shopkeeper. Very good. Number 9. Who brings food to your table in a cafe? Very good. A waiter. Good job. So who brings food? A waiter. Very good. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time.